Tell the world that I'm happy. I got Jesus
right here
in my heart. I'm alive and living, all because I'm forgiven. I got Jesus
right
here in my heart. I love the thrill that I feel when I get together with God's wonderful people. Love the thrill that I feel when I get together with God's wonderful